today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk add products to your Wix store using a CSV file. This is especially helpful if you're managing a large catalog and want to save yourself some time. When you're dealing with lots of products, you don't want to add each item one by one manually, do you? A CSV, or comma-separated values file, lets you manage this efficiently. Let's dive into this process and make it as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to create your CSV file if you haven't already. A CSV file is essentially a simple spreadsheet that you can open and edit in programs like Excel or Google Sheets. Make sure your spreadsheet includes all the important details you'll want to upload. These would be fields like product name, description, price, SKU, and any other attributes relevant to your products. Don't worry if this sounds a bit technical once you get the hang of it, it's quite straightforward. Next, it's crucial to format your CSV correctly for Wix to understand it. Wix provides a template you can download, ensuring that your file structure matches their requirements. Go to your Wix dashboard, navigate to the Products section, and look for the option to import products. Here, you'll find a link to download their sample CSV. Open this sample in your spreadsheet program to guide you as you set up your own CSV file. This makes ensuring that columns like SKU, name, and price are formatted correctly a breeze. Once your CSV is ready and formatted, it's time to upload it. Head back to your Wix dashboard and navigate to the Store Products page. Look for the option that says Import Products and click on it. You'll then see an option to upload your file, so go ahead and select your CSV file from your computer. This step initiates the upload process, where Wix starts reading the file to get your products ready for listing. Check all of your data entries before proceeding. It's your chance to avoid any upload errors. During the upload, Wix provides a preview of your data. Review this carefully to ensure everything looks correct. Watch out for common errors like misaligned columns or incorrect data types. For instance, prices should be in number format, and stock quantities should be whole numbers. If everything looks good, proceed and click Import. If not, cancel the process, correct your CSV file, and try again. After the import, Wix will update you on the transfer's success. Any issues detected during the import will also be pointed out. These might include missing information or data that doesn't conform to Wix's format. This feedback is invaluable for quick troubleshooting. And there you have it. Bulk uploading through a CSV file can transform how you manage your Wix store's products. It minimizes the tedium of manual entries and maximizes your efficiency. Remember, the key here is accurate data and proper formatting. So take your time, make sure your CSV file is in top shape, and you'll have an easy experience adding products to your Wix store.